Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to remove date overleaf LaTeX document. It's very simple tips and tricks how to do it. We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, you need to open Overleaf account. Where is the particular documents, and if you want delete this documents date, look at this here. I want delete this particular date. If I hide this one, the date function, and if I recompile, still the date is not going anywhere because of today is the 15th of May. The date by default taking as a calendar date means today's date. So how to remove this date? It's very simple. You just keep it date function and just simply do as a empty and then recompile, and your date is gone. This is a simple process to remove date from LaTeX document. No need to add anything extra. You just keep it date function as a empty.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.